I, did a lot in my earlier life to kind of distance myself from my direct Jewishness as,
Yeah.
as I presented. I, felt more like a sort of a white American person,
Yeah.
as Jewish people, as at least Ashkenazi Jewish people fit into that equation. And I never really gave much of a thought to what anti-Semitism is, this kind of ancient hatred, and how that might affect me. And so fast forward to the Tree of Life massacre, and it was just like a complete paradigm shift in my perception of what it meant to be Jewish, what it meant to be, of this minority status in this country that, regardless of whether I present as white or, run and, am able to inhabit that identity, that there's always going to be this piece of me that other people are going to be defining, outside of my own better interest.
You can't run away from being Jewish, basically.
Exactly.